In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Hello kids, how are you today? Fine, Alhamdulillah. Today we are going to study a new lesson in this unit. The title of the lesson we are going to study today is called Phonics 2. Please open your pupils book page 82 and workbook page 72. Are you ready? Yes, thank you. What do you expect we are going to study today? In this lesson, we are going to learn some words that have the same rhyme, I-C-K. Okay? I-C-K. This is the rhyme we are going to study today, inshallah. As for the objectives of the lesson, we can say that objective number 1 is to recognize the rhyme I-C-K correctly through listening to audio accurately. Objective number 2 is to identify the rhyme I-C-K in a simple text through reading it with teacher support correctly. Objective number 3 is to use words with I-C-K rhyme to complete some simple sentences. As for the objective number 1, which is to recognize the rhyme I-C-K correctly through listening to audio accurately, I want you to look at activity number 1 in your pupils book page 82. Before reading or listening anything, I want you to look at the pictures and try to answer the following question to be able to identify the main idea of the lesson we are going to study today. Question number 1. What does this boy seem to be? He seems to be sick. Question number 2. Why can't he reach the pool? Because he is not quick. Question number 3. What should he do with the pool? He should kick it. From this, we can understand that the main idea of the lesson we are going to study today is to identify 3 words that have the same rhyme I-C-K, such as sick, quick, kick. All of them have the rhyme I-C-K, as you see. I-C-K. The words that have the same rhyme are the following: quick, kick, sick. Okay. Now we come to objective number 2, which is to identify the rhyme I-C-K in a simple text through reading to it with the support of the teacher correctly. I want you to look at your student book and listen to the audio and circle the words that have the rhyme I-C-K. Listen carefully.
Module 5. Phonics. 1. Listen, say, and circle the ick words.
Tom.
Look at Tom. He is not quick. He is sick. Come on, Tom. Kick the ball. Kick.
Very good. After listening to the CD play, I want you to circle the words that have the rhyme ick, I-C-K. Have you finished? Yes. The first word is quick, sick, and kick. These are the 3 words that have the same rhyme I-C-K or ick. Okay, a great job. Now, I want to keep these words in your mind and by following the strategy of learning by foot. Sick, quick, kick. Very good. إذن عندنا 3 كلمات هي sick, kick, quick. All these words have the same rhyme, ick, I-C-K. Now, let me test your understanding. Can you guess correctly? A or B? Sick. What is the right picture? A or B? The right answer is A. Very good. Kick. What is the right answer? A or P? P. Very good. What is the right answer? Quick. A. Very good. Now we come to do affirmative assessment. Activity number 2, pupils book page 82. Read and match. Quick, kick, and sick. Have you finished? Very good. Number 1, sick, picture number 1. Kick, picture in the middle. Quick, the last picture, as you see. Now we come to do another exercise. Read and cross the odd one out. طلع الكلمة الغريبة في النطق. على سبيل المثال كلمة kick, sick, banana. What is the odd one? طبعا كلمة banana هي الكلمة الغريبة في النطق. Number 2, rice, play, day. عندك كلمة play و day have the same rhyme. يبقى إذن الكلمة الغريبة هي كلمة rice. Number 3, sick, egg, quick. عندك كلمة sick و quick have the same rhyme. إذن الكلمة الغريبة هي كلمة egg. زي ما احنا شايفين الإجابة بتاعتنا. Thank you. Now we come to your workbook page 72, activity number 3. Look and say then write. Write the missing letter. Okay, have your time. Have you finished? Very good. Number 1, kick. Number 2, quick. Number 3, sick. Now we come to do exercise number 4. Look and write, then say the sound of each word. Sid is very quick. Number 2, Ali isn't at school today. He is sick. Very good. Number 3, kick the ball. Oh, very good. Wake, sick, kick. Closure of the lesson. طبعا you can read the word in yellow, part, pink, and so on. Thank you very much. Now we come to study another lesson. The title of the lesson, as we see, is Let's Play. Pupils book page 78 and workbook page 68. As a revision for what we had studied before, let me introduce you this exercise. This will be cool exercise. Read and write. Healthy food and unhealthy food. Number 1, healthy food such as apple and banana. Very good. Unhealthy food are the following: soft drink and sweets. What do you expect we are going to study today in this lesson? We are going to study how to use how much and how many. For example, how much milk do you want? Not too much, just a little. زي ما احنا شايفين بنستخدم كلمة how much للسؤال عن الكمية quantity or uncountable noun اسم الذي لا يعد. How much spaghetti do you want? Not too much, just a little. أيضا برضو استخدمنا كلمة how much للسؤال عن الكمية أو الأسماء التي لا تعد. How much spaghetti do you want? Not too much, just a little. Another example. How much salad do you want? Not too much, just a little. أيضا كلمة how much استخدمت مع كلمة salad لأن كلمة salad is uncountable noun or أسماء لا تعد. How much rice do you want? How many grapes. هنا بقى استخدمنا كلمة how many لأن كلمة grapes countable noun يعني اسم يعد، عشان كده استخدمنا كلمة how many. How many grapes do you want? Not too many, just a few. How many eggs do you want? Not too many, just a few. أيضا استخدمنا كلمة how many مع كلمة eggs لأن كلمة eggs طبعا كلمة countable noun اسم يعد يمكن أن إذا how much تستخدم للسؤال عن الكمية أو الأسماء التي لا تعد، و how many تستخدم للسؤال عن العدد أو الأشياء التي يمكن أن تعد، زي ما احنا شايفين في المثال. How much water is there? 2 glasses. How many pairs are there? There are 2 pairs. 1 glass, 2 glasses. هنا بنضيف كلمة ال ES to the end of the word glass لأنها منتهية بحرف الاس، فبنضيف ال ES في حالة الجمع. From this introductory commentary, we can say that today we are going to study how to ask about countable and uncountable nouns by using how much and how many. Besides, we are going to learn some more new words related to food. Shortly, we can say that the objective of the lesson is to identify some new words related to food, as we said, follow and respond to some simple short questions such as, what's your favorite breakfast? Who can name the food in this picture? How many pairs are there? And so on. Objective number 3 is to write words of regular size and shape, such as pear, water, glass, and cup, cake. Now we come to objective number 1, which is to identify the new words. I'm going to play the CD player, and you are required to look at the pictures in your set book and the word is written under it. Listen and repeat.
Module 5. Let's play. 1. Say the new words. Pear, water, glass, glasses, cupcakes, pizza.
What is this? It's a pear. What is this? Water. Yes, who can read? Glass. Who can read? Glasses. Who can read? Cupcakes. Who can read? Pizza. Very good. Now we come to do a formative assessment. Activity number 1, workbook page 68. Look and write. Okay, number 1 is answered. Water. Have you finished? Very good. Well done. Let me check your answer. Number 1, water. Number 2, cupcake. Number 3, glass. Number 4, pear. Number 5, pizza. Great job. Now we come to objective number 2, which is to ask and answer some simple question. يعني عايزك تعمل أسئلة بهذا الشكل. How much milk is there? How many pizza are there? طبعا لما نسأل how much milk is there الجواب 3 glasses. How many pizza are there? There are 2 pizza. Okay. Now we come to do objective formative assessment. Activity number 2, workbook page 68. Read and match. How much water is there? Number 2, how many cupcakes are there? 3, how many milk is there? 4, how many pears are there? Number 5, how many pizza are there? Okay. Have your time. Have you finished? Very good. Now let me check your answer. How much water is there? Number B. How many cupcakes are there? Number E. How much milk is there? Picture number A. 4. How many pears are there? Picture number 3, C. 5. How many pizza are there? Picture number D. Great job. Now we come to do we come to objective number 3, which is to write words in capital and small letters. Trace and write. Have your time. How many pairs are there? There are وفراغ. هنعيد على هذه الكلمات بعدين بنكتب الكلمة اللي ناقصة. How many cupcakes are there? Okay. Have you finished? Check your answer. How many pairs are there? There are 2 pairs. How many cupcakes are there? There are 3 cupcakes. Now we come to closure of the lesson. I want you to look at the pictures and think of a word that can be written under each picture. Which word can be written under picture number 1? Pear. Which word can be written under picture number 2? Water. Very good. Which word can be written under picture number 3? Glasses. Very good. Which word can be written under the last picture? Cupcake. Very good. Now we come to another exercise in conducting interactive teaching or final evaluation. Use how, much, or how many. Number 1, how فراغ sugar do you need؟ هنستخدم هنا كلمة much ولا many؟ طبعا الجواب how much لأن كلمة sugar and countable noun. Number 2, how فراغ cows are there on the farm. لاحظ إن كلمة cows فيها اس أي تجمع، عشان كده لازم نستخدم كلمة many. هنقول how many cows are there on this farm. Number 3, how فراغ milk do you want؟ لاحظ إن كلمة milk and countable noun اسم لا يعد يعني كمية، عشان كده لازم نستخدم كلمة much. هنقول how much milk do you want. Number 4, how فراغ pupils are there in this class. لاحظ إن كلمة pupils آخرها s، يعني إذا هو اسم countable noun اسم يعد، عشان كده لازم نستخدم كلمة many. فنقول how many pupils are there in this class. Number 5, how بعدين فراغ money. طبعا لاحظ ان كلمة money هنا كلمة uncountable noun، فهيكون الجواب how much money do you pay it for this present.